In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkbox design in Webflow. If you've ever wanted your checkboxes to match your brand instead of relying on the browser's default look, this walkthrough is for you. We'll take a plain checkbox and give you full control over its size, color, and spacing, all with Webflow's built-in tools. Start by logging into Webflow and opening the project where your checkbox lives. Once your project is open in the designer, click on the checkbox element you want to customize. This might be inside a form or another layout, so make sure you're selecting the actual checkbox field, not the form wrapper or the label. If you're clicking and nothing looks selected, try using the navigator panel to highlight the checkbox field directly. With the checkbox selected, head to the right sidebar and open the Element Settings panel, the one with the gear icon. In the checkbox field settings, find the Style dropdown. By default, Webflow uses the browser's native appearance for checkboxes, which limits your styling options. Change this from default to custom. This switch tells Webflow that you want full control over how the checkbox looks. Now keep the checkbox element selected and move over to the Style panel, indicated by the brush icon. This is where the visual customization happens. Adjust the width and height to set the overall size of the box. Many designs look clean around 16 to 24 pixels, but choose what fits your layout and accessibility needs. Make the border visible and consistent by setting a border width and color. A slightly darker border often helps the box stand out. If your design calls for softer corners, you can tweak the border radius to round them. Set the background color for the unchecked state. A subtle neutral can look modern, while a transparent background with a crisp border can feel minimal. Use margin to create the breathing room around the checkbox. A small right margin helps separate the box from its label text, improving readability and click targets. Keep text alignment in mind so the label and checkbox feel connected without crowding. A few tips as you style. Aim for sufficient contrast so the checkbox is visible against your background, ensure the size is easy to tap on mobile, and keep spacing consistent with the rest of your form elements. If changes aren't updating, double check that the checkbox itself is selected and not a parent element. And that's it. You've customized the default, unchecked appearance of a checkbox in Webflow using the settings and style panels, all without code.